Now I'm going to do this. I removed the CPU here. It came out with the crowbar pretty easily. Now I'm going to remove the motherboard. Let's see if I can get these things off. These things are hard to get off, but you can, as you can see, just a little bit of elbow grease. Comes out. There's this ram. If you just slide it to the side, that's just the cracking of it coming out. Not a big deal. Alright, this motherboard is almost ready to be to come out. See those screws there? You're supposed to undo those, but since I have a crowbar, you just kind of a lot harder to come out than you think. Okay, so this motherboard coming out. I might have to take this one out in pieces, but that's alright. I can solder it back together after I'm done. There we go. The first piece of the motherboard came out. And if you just keep whittling away at it, you'll be able to take out your motherboard, clean it off, solder it back together, and you're good to go.